Hi guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I wanted to come on and do a cute little project share with a little tutorial. And what I'm going to show you is this cute little teeny tiny gift bag that I made to hold some wooden veneers that I am going to gift someone. And there's little wooden veneers, and it actually holds a lot. And let me measure this real quick because I'm not for sure what the put together dimensions are. 1.5 by 3/4 by 1.5. So it's 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. And isn't it super cute? I just love it. So obviously this one's Halloween themed. The wood veneers are not, but the little bag is. And what I have here is a little square of paper, or a rectangle of paper, I should say. And my paper measures 3.5 by 3 inches. And on the 3.5 inch side, and I got my little mini scoreboard out here, we're going to score at 1 5/8 and 2 inches, and that is on the 3.5 inch side. Then we're going to rotate it and score at 3/4 of an inch and 2 1/4 of an inch, right like so. So let me get that out of the way. I'm going to bring in my bone folder and then just burnish and fold in my score lines. And do that like so. And then I don't know if you can see or not, got 2 here, 2 going horizontal and 2 going vertical. And then the little square that is in the center, we're just going to cut up those score lines to the first score line and wedge into it as well. Going to flip it around and do the exact same thing. My lighting went and got bad in here as soon as I turned on my camera to film. That's just my luck lately. So I'm going to do it like so. And then on these rectangles, I'm just going to cut off just a little bit, maybe 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to do that on all 4. That's just to make it to go together better. And so we'll get all of those pieces out of the way, and it's going to fold up like so. So you need to determine which is going to be your front and which is going to be your back as to what you want. It goes together right like that. Isn't it cute? I think it's very cute. But the first thing I'm going to do, just for speed on camera, is pull in some mini glue dots here because I want to put my little handle on here. And I'm just going to determine the center, and then I will actually glue this down later with wet glue. so that way I know that it stays without issue. I'm going to put one over on this side that is about the same. Now I'm just going to be real careful with that for a moment because I'm not going to attach that just yet. And I'm going to fold in my little side panels flaps here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of wet glue on those. and I'm going to fold these up, and I'm just meeting up the straight edge, the bottom attached straight edge to my loose straight edge here. Just going to hold it for a second to make sure that it gets dry and adheres, and then I'm going to do the same thing right here on the other side. Just marrying up those straight edges. There. I've got a fruit fly flying around in here. My husband and I went away on a long weekend a few days ago, and just got back a couple days ago. And when we got back, we had left fruit in the pantry, not knowing it, and the peaches went rotten, and I now have fruit flies. So trying to get rid of them and being very diligent about it, or trying to be. So I put glue on the inside white flaps of this side here, and now I'm going to come over and attach that handle to that glue dot, and now I'm going to do the exact same thing, is marry up these sides. Like so. Now we'll do the other side. And there we go. Okay, so it's holding well enough now, so I'm going to set it down there for a moment. And then I know this is my front because back here is my seams. And I'm going to pop a little decoration on this one as well. And I'm going to get some foam tape here. I have a little die cut from an ephemera pack, and it says get it done. So I'm going to pop on a piece of that 3M foam tape, peel off the backing, and I'm going to pop that right on the front there, and it barely fits. That's lucky. What do they say? Better lucky than good, right? So that was complete luck. So I'm going to do that right like so. And then on this one, I filled it with crinkle paper in the bottom. And with this one, I'm going to do a glitter bomb, listen to me. I mean a confetti bomb in this one. I'm going to load it with confetti from that big confetti pack that I shared with you guys a few videos back. And all of this cool confetti can be reused too. So get it all down in there, and it'll hold more than you think to be such a cute little bag. And then I've got some little wood veneers here that I'm going to put in. I've got this peach and this little clock face, family rectangle, one that says holiday, and a little airplane and a little car. And I'm just going to pop those right down in there. And see how cute? It's a cute, fun way to give some cute little wood veneers. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you give this a try. It's simple, cute, and easy to make, and it's a fun little way to give your wood veneers that you want to gift to somebody. If I don't tear that one up. Sorry about that. So like I said, I hope you give it a try. We'll talk again real soon. Cheers.